It's not smoking out.
So maybe now it's just until we get the burner dried out.
Okay, so now we let it air out some, right?
Yep.
And then we...
Try it again.
Yeah, it's pulling, I can see. Well, it's not pulling all of it.
Not pulling all of it. Oh, I know what to do. You know, one thing we could do, though, we could clean that. We'll do it one more time. We don't get results. We're going to clean that. We'll clean up the nozzle and the electrical. They may have got sooted enough that they're not arcing really good. I mean, I don't really think so because it's still lighting.
I want to clean the injector or whatever's...
Yeah, it's a nozzle. It's a spray
'cause-
nozzle.
I mean,
We can do that.
when's the last time that was?
So
cleaned?
that's
When's the last time not, whatever that
the
does.
service rate.
Smoke too much. You're not gonna have the right fuel mixture with that much smoke.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Let's pull it
we
off.
need to check the inlet. Wherever air comes in from,
It's there. It's in.
that's out. Where's the inlet?
What do you mean?
What hole?
Well, this
Where does
one-
it get its air from?
Well, see this wire, this intake wire is off. There's one there. Okay, there's one on either side of the couch, Mike.
Okay, so this is one, and that you have one over there, you think?
Yep. There's one by that little stand. There's one on the couch.
But this is one here,
I'm sorry, I don't realize where you're at.
here.
No. Oh yeah. Well, I think no. That would be heat because it's coming out of your box. So
that's
that
heat.
No, this is cool air. It sucks into the furnace.
Well, that's
Wonder
an,
if
that's an inlet.
What the filter could be shitty.
Isn't that what you? So you're saying that's what pulls air in? Yeah, that's the.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah, that's where it gets cold air off the floor.
Yep.
Pulls it in and runs it in the furnace. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
I'm sorry.
Perfect.
Well, you'll be able to see them. One's by the amp and the other's by that little stand. We'll take this out and take a look at it. Whoa. Shit. Hey, Mike. Mick, I need you. To spool me off some, Don't stop till you get enough. That could be a problem. That may be part of your issue. That electrode just fell off.
Yep. Well, that's convenient. Get it up here so we can see it.
Look at your nozzle.
No, get it up here so the camera can see it. What's it doing? Why does it look like that?
I don't know. I don't think it should, do you?
Did you break that, or did we break it?
This?
Yeah.
It just fell off while I was looking at it.
Yeah, we probably broke it. It's actually the other end.
I don't think so.
That goes there.
I think it just degraded through. We're just taking that drill and build another one. No, I need paper towels to wrap around this thing so it don't douche us all over where we're going. And then we got to throw much down there to keep from
keep from walking through it about 80 times and carrying it everywhere.
Oh, okay. Stand by.
Okay, you do that. I'm going to head to the garage with this abortion.
You want me to just put one of these rugs on it?
You better put towels down first because it'll ooze right through that rug.
Okay.
Another jar, Mike. They sucked up something out. You know,
Oh, like it's dirty?
Yeah. Same way. I told you, hey, what are you doing?
Oh, you're not gonna stop it.
No, get another jar, man. Burn against, you can't burn against the side of the housing, right?
Yeah.
Just burn it right up.
And that's not maple syrup.
Good color, though. You want to get another jar? Look at that color. And the burner's obviously not right at the bottom, so there might have been 3/4 inches of water here. Maybe for that reason, Mike. This was at the bottom, it flooded that burner out really quick.
Yeah.
Cool to get in it. It's over by the humidifier. Right behind you. Okay, where's my bleeder? See a 3/8 laying
Half inch, 7/16, 5/8, 3/8.
That's the man. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open this up. I'm going to try to start it, and then I'm bleeding the air out of this one. Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Where's it gonna come out at, Dad?
Right here. It's a bleeder, just like a brake bleeder, Mike. So what we're doing is because we...
Hi, team.
Hey!
You got problem, man.
Yeah, we got about 50 gallons of water inside the furnace.
Dad, has it ever happened to you before?
No, But you know that rain last... Of course, we were in Bill's Grill, not Bill's Grill, but the Broadway.
Uh-huh.
But they said it rained like nuts. And we got out after it stopped, and the streets were flooded.
You smell pretty.
Hey, hey.
Yeah, this could be a little scary. So.
Like it might blow?
Go ahead, Mike.
But it's gonna be scary.
If it turns on or not, you mean?
It's just gonna be loud and rumbles.
Okay. Oh, okay. You want to go tell the kids? There's a monster down in the basement?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you might want. Yeah, I just turned it on.
No, you didn't.
Yeah,
Did-
I did.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
I'm going to get that robot. Whoa. That's a piece. That's a piece.
Okay, try it again, Mike.
Okay, here you go. There, that's perfect.
Why did that hit?
Watch it run.
When's it gonna kick on?
It's already on.
Are you kidding me?
It is.
No, it's running.
I can hear it.
Yeah. Remember how loud it was 2 minutes ago?
I know.
I heard it kick on.
Yeah, we're not gonna know when it starts now.
I know. Well, here, look at your video and you see my magic.
What am I supposed to look at?
Look at your video. See what I'm saying? Right. Hit
One more second, man.
the, okay.
Just shut off.
I don't know why.
The red light came on.
Good. Yeah, it must be reset then. No, it didn't get to reset.